Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about Google Ads campaign objective. So Google Ads have many types of many types of campaign objective like sales. First one is sales. So if your main goal is to drive sales, whether online through an app, by phone, or even in a physical store, this is the right objective. And Google will show your ad to people who are already buy or very close to making a purchase decision. And this objective is perfect for e-commerce business, online store, retail's brand, focus on direct conversion. Then second one is leads. If you want to people to call you, submit a lead from, book an appointment, or request a quote, choose the lead objective. It's designed to business that depends on customer inquiries such as service providers, agencies, real estate, or local businesses. And Google optimize your ads to reach users who are mostly likely to take action, not just browse. Then objective name is website traffic. So website traffic, if your priority is getting more visitor to your website, select the website traffic objective. This objective helps increase visibility, attract the right types of visitor, and encourage users to explore your page or read your content. It greats for blogs, news website, or early stage awareness campaigns. And then objective name is app promotion. So if you have a mobile app, this objective is made for you. The app promotion objective helps you get more app installations, more app engagement, pre-registration before launch. So Google automatically show your ad across Google Search, YouTube, Google Play, Display Network, and target people most likely to use your app, not just install it. And then awareness and consideration. So, if your goal is to introduce your brand to new people, this objective is your best choice. It's focused on brand reach, brand visibility, and building interest and trust. This is ideal if you are launching a new product, entering a new market, building brand recognition before selling. Then local store visit and promotion. This objective is for businesses with physical locations such as restaurant, clinic, salons, car dealership, or this type of business. And the goal is to drive real world store visit. Google shows your ad to people who are nearby and likely to visit, turning online ads into a offline result. So this is a Google Ads object campaign, and today topic is all about Google Ads campaign objective. So thank you so much.